In this video, we'll cover how to fix "we are unable to process your request" error in United Airlines app. So we're going to go over the general fixes for this, but just before we do the general fix, which in my opinion highly likely won't solve the problem, but we're going to throw everything at it. What I would first advise you do before we jump into that is see if you get the same error on the website. And when you do try on the website, if you're like me and you use something like Brave, make sure that the Brave Shield is switched off, which is on the top here, because it might block some actual necessary things. Now, I've also seen it mentioned a lot that you should remove any special requests and then try and then add them back, but that's if you have any special requests, like lap infants or wheelchair assistants. And now for the most generic of Android fixes, what we want to do is just clear out cache and restart the device. So for those of you who don't know how to do that, let's say Reddit is the app in question. You would go to your United Airlines app, long press on it, and click on the little info icon. Then click on storage and clear cache. And then restart your device and try again. And that's all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.